Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study accountancy in one day. First, identify the most crucial topics, such as the accounting equation, journal entries, and the basic financial statements. Don't try to cover everything. Instead, aim for a solid grasp of the core concepts. Break your day into manageable time blocks, perhaps 2 hours per major topic, to ensure focused learning. This approach helps you build a foundational understanding quickly and efficiently. To master core concepts, begin by thoroughly understanding the double entry system, which is fundamental to all accounting. Next, review the 3 primary financial statements: the income statement, balance sheet, and statement of cash flows. Focus on what each statement represents and how they interrelate. Finally, practice creating basic journal entries for common business transactions. This hands-on application will solidify your theoretical knowledge. Effective practice is crucial for one-day learning. Work through a few simple practice problems for each major topic you've covered. This helps reinforce your understanding and identify any weak areas. Create quick flashcards for essential terms, definitions, and formulas to aid rapid recall. Finally, summarize the main points of each concept in your own words. This active recall method significantly improves retention and comprehension. As you near the end of your intensive study day, remember to take short, regular breaks to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Before you finish, do a quick review of all the concepts you've covered, perhaps by looking over your summaries or flashcards. This final pass helps consolidate your learning. Also, for those who love to learn on the go, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for reading up on any subject, anytime, anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.